Hello guys! Kauli na namon. Medyo paspas paking kinuruhabay. Ay, grabe, sobra kasi talagang fireworks nga to. Tapos, first time ko to ma-experience. Oh my God! First time ko to ma-experience sa tanang buhay ko ha. 19 years. Kung ano yung kalibutan. First time. My first time. Pakitaan to ka mo. Kikinurahab akadiman. O diba, naghikalurong dok ano. Gindaran kakalong magtukuan. Malagi siya kalurong ano. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share and follow.